about my video about my chickens. So here where we keep all the food and the plates, and there's a driver here, and there's some two cute stuff, and there's something here. I don't know what that, and there's nothing here, and there's a playground here, my favorite, and there's a cute little dog here, and there's some chicken, and there's just one tao. I don't know why they order one, I mean two, and there's two tao, and I can't read this menu tab because it's in other country, and here is where to cook, and there's a many items here, and let me so these two I want to order 3 chickens for that dog, only 1 chicken for that dog. Okay, wait, I'm gonna get that chicken. We're going to cook it right over here. I always don't use this one, I only use this one. Okay, wait. So guys, the chicken's already cooked now. Let me just get this. Now, let me just put this back. Now, where's the other one? Guys, the other one get missing. Oh, there it is. There's so wait. So here's a small one. Perfect. Now let me just balik this chicken. Okay, they're done na. Now let's just balik this again. Bye vlog.